Here's how to complete Discord cast without playing or owning the game. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have already downloaded the Discord application to your PC or any device that you have. Afterwards, make sure that you have already edited out the download file info. You can go ahead and start the download. After downloading, go to the setting or gear icon that you can see at the lower left or the upper right of your screen. And then afterwards, relocate yourself at the advanced section between the Windows settings option below. Once you are already on the advanced section, you will see there the developer mode option. What you need to do is to make sure that you have already turned on the toggle button for this one. And then afterwards, go back to the Discover channels of your Discord, go to Cast, and now you can go ahead and start or complete it without owning the game.